Hi, Oleg here, Mend and Manage Renovations. This is Styrofoam, Stucco and brick repair on a project that we did, which I'm gonna run through small snippets of videos to show you how it's done. Thank you. So today we're gonna be fixing a Styrofoam structure. Not many people know, but all your decorative pieces that look like stucco, a lot of it is just made from regular styrofoam. We are at the step 2. We already mixed our mortar and we're gonna be gluing the bricks first. Now is applying the mortar, and as you noticed, you'll see the ridges we apply. We butter the brick and the area that we're gonna apply. We installed the brick all the way around and put a support using mortar, brick mortar. Now it is drying. I just wanted to show you next step. So now the brick is installed, and what we're gonna do now for the foam section, something clever. What I'm gonna do is I shaved off from regular shim couple small sticks, and I'm going to insert them into the foam to provide a better structure. Okay, we are back. I just wanted you to see what I did here, even though it doesn't seem like much, but it will provide an extra support. And repairing styrofoam, and you would never guess what we're repairing it with. Everybody probably know this, most of the people, and this is what it is. It is great stuff, which we usually use for other purposes, but this is one of the way to repair the styrofoam. So we're gonna shake it well. Okay, we're at the next step. I know what you're gonna say, Oleg, what a mess. But we want it to be this way because you cannot really touch this until it dries, otherwise it's gonna be a mess. And then when it dries, you just simply cut it off and shape it to what you need. So this is what it looks already cut off, so it feels pretty good. I only had an issue with the corner, so I put it some more, let it dry, and we shape it off. So now what we're doing is applying stucco all around, and we should be on our way to finishing this. This is Oleg back with Mend and Manage Renovations, and this is the last step of the project. The foam piece been completely fixed and looks like new, and as far as the bricks as well. So that's finishing product. Repair of the styrofoam and brick pillar